All right, let's go. I am super excited. I'm so excited. So excited. Oh my God. This is so exciting. Like, oh my God. This is so exciting. So I'm just going to start talking. Hi, welcome. I'm live. This is so exciting. I just reached my over 1,000 followers on this page. I've been having this page since about 2022, maybe. Hi there. Welcome in. It's a celebration because this is my very first live on this page. I'm super excited. This is so exciting to me. I've been having this page since about 2022 or 2023, something like that. And I basically started over. So I deleted all the content that I had on this page, and I only had about 800 followers as of this morning on this page. And I decided to reopen it and start over on it again. And I've reached 1,000 followers, and now I can go live. Hey. Welcome in. I'm so excited. I'm so happy because I'm live on this page here. I just reached 100. I just reached 1,000 followers on this page. This page has been laying dormant for like a year or two. Hey, Shalita Boo, and I left it dormant. It was at like 800 followers as of this morning. And so I got enough followers now to go live. So I'll be going live on this page. My main page is Pretty Powerhouse. But on this one, I'll be doing more of my fun, girly content, right? Make maybe a few makeup tutorials here and there. New makeup that I buy, new outfits. All my pretty Barbie pink crazy lady stuff. That's what I'll be doing on this page, okay? Y'all go ahead and tap the screen while I'm in here, because I won't be in here very long. I just wanted to show my face and thank everyone for their support and their follows today. Like, girl, it's crazy. I was at 800 followers this morning on this page, and now I'm at 1,000. This is insane. So I'm super duper excited about that. Yeah, so basically that's what I'm gonna be doing on this page, just doing a bunch of fun girly pop stuff on here. And I'm also really excited about going live, being able to go live and having 1,000 followers, because I can try to get into the TikTok shop program so that I can, showcase things that I really love on TikTok. I buy stuff on TikTok all the time. Excuse me, as far as equipment to go, to create content with. But now I can buy cute little outfits and earrings and stuff, and because people always ask me on my other page what I'm wearing, or and I really don't want to focus too much on the girly pop stuff on the other page, because that's where I run my business. But on this page, we can do all the girly pop stuff. We can have a lot of fun here, so thank you for liking the live. Now go ahead and share the live if you care. I'm in a really great mood. I accomplished a lot today. I had a lot to do today, y'all. So I'm getting back into the swing of running multiple social media accounts, being that I chose to go ahead and enlarge my territory with my business and have my content everywhere. So that's a lot. I have a lot of different accounts to manage. Whew, man. But, to whom much is given, much is required. And God has a lot of, has a big plan for me. And that means I have a lot of work to do. So, y'all know how that is when you're called to do something and God requires you to do certain things in order to get that done. So that's just basically where I am as far as my social media platforms, just really getting back into the swing of things, because I've been off social media for like a year. So yeah, I need to go ahead and link my YouTube to this page as well. I have a YouTube account, Pretty Powerhouse podcast, where most of my content that I make on my main page is where that is. But if y'all want to go ahead and follow that, y'all can. But this page in particular, we're gonna be doing great stuff. So I guess I'll show y'all while I'm here what I guess what I'm wearing today. Well, not like my outfit, but because I get asked about my lipstick and stuff like that all the time. So with that being said, where did I put my lipstick, girl? Hey, Keys the Queen, honey. Thank y'all. Thank y'all. So today I'm wearing my Candy Yum Yum lipstick from MAC. I still have the box because I'm a crazy lady and I keep all the boxes. Thank you so much for your support and your help. Thank you so much. Hey, Barbies. That's what I'm going to be calling y'all on this page. Barbie dolls. Thank you so much, my Barbies, for y'all support. I was just in that room just, yeah, I got me to 1,000. Thank y'all so much. So I'm wearing my Candy Yum Yum lipstick for the day. This is probably my favorite pink lipstick that I have, and I wear it all the time. I have 2 of these. The other one I ran out. I make sure I always keep a second one of this because I wear it all the time. My second favorite, can't talk. My second favorite pink lipstick that I have is going to be Flat Out Fabulous. It's a little darker. Hold on, let me show y'all that one. That one is like literally, y'all, I'm crazy, okay? So this one's y'all can see the difference. This one's my Candy Yum Yum lipstick, and this one is my my Flat Out Fabulous. Honey, like super duper cute. Super cute. I alternate between these depending on what I'm wearing or what shade of pink I'm wearing. Being that I'm wearing this kind of like lighter pink, it's lighter than this. And I wear my Candy Yum Yum with it. I was going to wear my other pair of earrings that are pink, but I wore these because I just didn't feel like, because the other ones I have that I usually wear are kind of, they're kind of big. They're kind of heavy, I mean. But that's the lipstick of the day. And my eyes, I have on my blush. I use my blush as my my eyeshadow. So that's what I have on my eyes. And it's, y'all, so let me tell y'all, this blush that I have on my eyes as my eyeshadow, I got this blush for $1.25 from the Dollar Tree. Yes, I did. And I'm about to show it to y'all. Y'all ready? Let me put this in my little box. Put these lipsticks in a little box for a second. Okay. Now, don't judge, the writing is coming off because I've been having it for a while. But this blush is such good quality. It's such good quality from the Dollar Tree, y'all. From the freaking Dollar Tree, okay? And I wear it as my blush. I wear it as my eyeshadow. Hey, Felicia girl. You see me, I'm on live on this page. Okay, won't he do it? Won't he do it? Oh, thank you, boo. On this page, we're gonna be doing some girly pop stuff. It's gonna be makeup. It's gonna be outfits. It's gonna be Barbie stuff. It's gonna be just fun stuff that I'm really into, that I don't like to dig into too much on my other page because that's some more serious content, right? But we're gonna have fun here, honey. So yes, express yourself. Exactly. So like I was saying, this is from the Dollar Tree for $1.25. Okay. It's called, I think it's called Essentially Ageless. The words, like I said, the words are coming off. The words are coming off. And then this is the eyeshadow that I put on along with this. So I put this on first. And I'll be doing tutorials here as well. Like when I get ready to do my makeup, I'll just get on this page and do it. Congratulations again. Just wanted to show you love. I really appreciate that, Keith the Queen. So I got this palette, right? Look at it. Link your ebooks. Yes, I definitely will do that. Thank you for that. So this is my eyeshadow palette that I have on today. I got this from the hair store, y'all. Okay, this was like $2.99, and I got it like some months ago. Look how pretty. This is giving very much Barbie vibes, right? This is Barbie. And that's literally the reason why I got it. What's your idea, girl? Share your ideas. Yes. But this is the eyeshadow that I put on today. It's the so I put on a little bit of my blush here, but then I went deeper with this shade. My fingernail came off. This one here, and then I went ahead and added that little sheen. If y'all can see that. So that's what I have on today for my makeup. I got my lashes. Child, I got them lashes. It's like a little pack of them, like 20 of them from Temu or something like that. Love them down. I love these lashes. They're really flexible. They don't hurt. Like, you know those lashes that are, the band is really thick and they stab you in the tear ducts. They're really easy to work with. I got them from Temu. Love my lashes down. I can't find like the pack. So, oh, here it is. So they look like this. They come like this in about 20 of them. But y'all see that? It's Barbie. Look at that, Barbie. Yeah. Listen, I'm all about a Barbie vibe. I'm very much into Barbie. I'm into pink. I'm into girly stuff. I'm into just very hyper feminine things. And that's the type of content that I will be posting here on this page. So if you're into very feminine, very girly, Barbie pink lifestyle stuff, follow me if you're not already following me, because that's the type of content I'm going to be doing. I'll be doing outfit of the day, you know, shopping, like a trip to TJ Maxx, girl, because who don't like TJ Maxx? I love me some TJ Maxx, okay? Love me some TJ Maxx. I love me some Ross and some Marshalls and stuff. Just the more fun side of me, because I don't really show that side on my main page because I'm trying to get a message across, like, you better stand in your power, girl. That's what I do on my you better stand in your power or else. But we're gonna be having a lot of fun on this page, all right? I just wanted to go live and just share my joy and happiness with everybody because I'm super excited. Y'all ever felt so good about something, like you just know that something great is about to take place in your life, something that you would have never thought of, right? Thank you so much, Felicia. Something that you would have never thought of, just like good things. I just feel God. I feel God expanding me. I feel God enlarging my territory in ways that I never would have imagined. You know, I was all over the place today. Child, me too. I have been all in the social media streets today. All in the social media. I've been wearing me out all day long talking about go live on Facebook. I'm like, go live on Facebook because I don't really go live there anymore. I don't really, I just put the app back on my phone like the day before yesterday. I don't really exactly. He's preparing us for stages. That's exactly what God is doing, and I feel it. I feel it. We have to be comfortable being seen. Exactly. And I can feel God on an energetic level, just stretching me, like you were saying earlier, like expanding me. He know I can't stand it. You can't stand it. Sometimes, and you know this for experience. When God is about to take you on another level, you have to get uncomfortable so that you can be prepared for where God is getting ready to take you. And that is what this page means to me. I'll be able to reach more ladies. I'll be able to spread my message. I'll be able to spread positivity and joy, because that's really what it's all about for me. I am very, 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 very grateful to be at 1,000 followers on this page. If I can't take two people. I can't take 2K. Exactly. 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 You can't if you can't share your message in front of two people watching you, then you're not going to be able to convey that message in front of 2,000 people. How you get to 1K? So I don't know if you know Ray's Wonderful World. I follow her on my main account, and I went into the engagement room, and I engaged. That's what I did. And the reason why, yeah, the grow room, I like her room because you get honest engagers in there. You get real engagers, people that actually, I will. And look, sometimes I do send it to you, but I definitely will do it now, honey. Yes, ma'am. I love her engagement rooms because you get real engagers in there. You get people that actually not only follow you, but they actually get in your comments and they comment, they like, they share, they repost, they do the whole 9 yards in, when they come from that room. Even Tara, the live coach, her rooms as well. When she does her live rooms, you get real engagers from there. And that's why I love going to their rooms. But particularly Ray, her rooms are absolutely amazing. If y'all need help with growing your following, go to Ray's Wonderful World, follow her, and then engage in her engagement lives, and you will walk out of there with real engagers, all right? That's how I was able to get up to 1,000. Because like I said, when I opened this page today, I was at 800. Ray's World, yes, that's her name. I think she has on some black glasses and a green shirt. She's absolutely amazing. She's absolutely amazing. Absolutely amazing. I really, really appreciate her. Yeah, go to her room. I think she should be live right now, actually. I just got out of that room because I reached my 1,000 followers and I'm able to go live. Can I get a witness? Okay. Yes, indeed. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing here on this page. I'll be doing all of my girly pop content, pink lifestyle, Barbie makeup tutorials. I'll do live makeup tutorials. That's what I'm going to do. And I'll probably do like outfit of the day. That's the type of content that I'll be doing on this page. So y'all make sure y'all interact with me on here. And I follow back. So y'all follow me. I will follow you guys back. I just wanted to quickly go live. I think I've been live for like maybe 15 minutes. I just wanted to just peek in quickly. Now tomorrow I will definitely go live a lot longer. I'll probably go live after I go live on my main page. I'll just go here, or maybe before when I'm doing my makeup. I don't know, but I will let y'all know in the stories. Make sure y'all keep up with my stories. Hey, Gabibi. Hi there. Y'all go ahead and tap the screen. But that's definitely what I'm going to be doing on this page. I'm going to go ahead and go. I love you guys. Thank you guys for watching the live. And follow me if you're not already so you can get all this Barbie pink lifestyle content. I love y'all so much. Thank y'all for following me. Thank y'all for watching me. And go ahead and follow my main page. Hey, Classy Takeover. Go ahead and follow my main page, Pretty Powerhouse. That's where I do all of my my main content at. Like about my ebooks and stuff like that. Y'all go follow that page. I think I have it linked in my bio. Y'all go ahead and follow that page. And yeah, I love y'all so much. Y'all have a great night. I feel so blessed. I love you guys. Y'all have a great night. Bye. See y'all later.